Hey everyone, here on this video we're gonna check does this Redmi Note 14 5G have screencasting or not. So first and foremost, you're gonna move on setting. After you move on setting, from here you can search for the screencast. Here's the cast option. There's more connectivity like cast mobile device screen to nearby TVs and other external monitors. On here on the side, cast the screen and show its content. Yes, it have the screencasting option, so you can connect this mobile phone to TV or another devices. It says turn off mobile device while casting to save battery overheating. There is the in details to connect, how to connect it. You can connect. If you don't know, then you can check all the details how to connect it. Okay, so friends, hope you loved your video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.